Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share with you guys what I get my inserts. Now please keep in mind everybody gets different inserts. I usually kind of know what I'm getting because I've done this for a while, so I just wanted to show you guys what I get. So we got some Mott's coupons, which I actually probably going to use because I've been really craving Mott's applesauce lately. We got CeraVe coupons. Now these just also popped up on coupons.com. Not the greatest. Here we got some Rubbermaid and Siestama or whatever. These are also available on smartsource.com if you guys wanted to print those off. Oxy White Castle. Here we got some Finish, $3 off of one and $2 off of one of the Jet Dry. Ranch. Dole. You're going to see a lot of stuff for back to school stuff. So we got that. Harbor Freight. Everything must go. Are they closing down? I don't know. More Dollar General ads. Here we got Budding Turkey. More Dollar General. Dollar General. And Dollar General. So that's one insert that I got. Here's the Retail Me Not, which is like the Unilever. Here we got some 3 off of $2, $1, $3 off. $1 off of one body wash, 50 cents. $2 off of Suave Kids. That's a great coupon. Here we got $2 off the men's stuff. 75 cents off of lotion. Here's some Pilodent. Oh, here's a good coupon, you guys. I haven't seen this for a while. $2 off of 4. That is an awesome coupon. That is an awesome coupon, you guys. $2 off of 4 Kellogg's. Here we got 2 off of 1 and then 2 off of 1. Nutri-Grain. And there is that. And now we have another Smart Source. We got 1 a day. Miralax. $4 off vitamins. Flintstones. Citrusel. Colon foot stuff. Here we got $4 off Aleve. Bayer. Seattle's Best. Renew. Claritin. Here's some 50-cent off coupons for Scott's and Kleenex and Diva. Cetaphil. Now these also just popped up on coupons.com. Here we got Poise and Depends. Soothe XP. BioTrue. Keep these coupons, you guys. These coupons are going to be good until after the coupon. I use these like crazy after the school stuff starting to go on clearance. So definitely keep those 5-star, plus there's a deal on Saving Star or Checkout 51. And then here is my P&G. You guys are going to have the same inserts as I do, so I'm just going to go quickly through this and see if we got tied. I know we didn't, but you never know. Sorry for going too fast. So, yeah. Pantene, Head and Shoulders. Yep. Printable, but they're only, if you guys print them, they're only good for that day only. That day only. Same thing with the Tide Pods, but here we got the buy one get one free, and that is it. So that is what is in my inserts. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.